Hey friends, if you wish to find and remove duplicate files, then please watch this video. Go to the File Explorer, go to this PC or any specific folder. All you need to do is search for the word copy and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what it does. Basically, in the same folder, you cannot create two files with the same name. So the other file will be called a copy and it will have the name copy along with it. So when you do this, it will need a time and it will say working on it, but eventually it will show the list of all copy files. And other than this, if you want to search it by name, let's say we have a few files here. So if you wish to search duplicate files with a specific word, then simply search for that word. But these files are not necessarily duplicated, they just have the same word in it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.